Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt tote bag. You just take any shirt, you want to lay it, smooth it out and lay it flat. Then you're going to take your cutter, you're going to cut around the neck of it. The bigger you cut the neck out, the larger the opening would be on your tote bag. But I'm just going to cut around the neck. I'll show you here in a second how I do it. I just cut the neck off, part of it. Then I'm going to take the arm part, cut it. So I cut both arms off, as you can see how I cut it off. Then I'm going to turn it inside out. Now I'm going to stitch along the bottom of it. Make sure you back stitch it. You don't want it splitting apart on you. I got it stitched along the bottom of it. Now I'm going to turn it right side out. And there you have it. You have a t-shirt tote bag. Just to carry your things in, overnight things, or maybe you take it to the grocery store if you're getting a few things. You can put it in your purse and then pull it out and put your items in it. It turned out real cute. You can do any shirt that you want like that. So, and it looks pretty cool. But I just wanted to give you an idea on how you can take any shirt you want, whether it's short sleeve or long sleeve, and turn it into a tote bag. And this would be great just for my husband to hang up and put all his gloves or whatever in, winter gear. So I just thought I would give you a heads up and let you know. And if you like my videos, hit that subscribe button. Until next time.